Hello, today I'm going to show you a brand new feature in Altair, bespoke model per Altair action. What it allows you to do is very simple. You can now choose which specific model you want to use for specific Altair action. Let me show you an example. One use case of this is to use local model for specific Altair action. For example here, even if I'm using remote model, if I use, for example, local only Altair action, you can see that it has triggered our local model and has generated the answer. One other use case is when you use tools and you want to use a specific model. For example, Qwen 3 is really fast and really good with tools. So what I can do is, here I have an action that blocked my lunchtime today. And by using it, it only used Qwen 3. Again, I'm using best, but if I choose this, here we go. I have now blocked my lunchtime between 12 to 2 today. In order to use this feature, it's really simple. You open Altair, click on the 3 dots on the top right, and go to your action editor. And in advance, here, you can choose now the model. And in your list, it will only use this model when using the Altair action. Of course, you can decide to choose our best routing model, and we'll pick up the right model for you. Finally, we have another little feature that's been asked a lot, is the possibility to export a whole conversation. So now, if you go on History, if you right-click on any Altair conversation, you now have an export button that allows you to create a markdown files with the whole conversation in Altair that you can then reuse in the way you want. That's it. See you next week.